Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. Hello everyone, I am Samreen Kaur Arora from Sher-e Kashmir University, Jammu. I am here to put some light on the topic production technology of peach. Before beginning, a big thank you to our course instructor, Dr. Prashant Bakshi, for his efforts towards providing us knowledge in this tough time of lockdown. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for him. So let's begin production technology of peach. Here are some pictures of peach fruit. Scientific classification: botanical name Prunus persica, kingdom Plantae, family Rosaceae, genus Prunus, subgenus Amygdalus, species Prunus persica, chromosome number 2n is equals to 16. Introduction: peach is an important stone fruit crop of the temperate zone. Stone fruit means fleshy indehiscent fruit with a single seed. High quality peaches are produced in higher hills, example J.H. Hale, Alberta and Matchless peaches. In the plains during 1960s, only inferior quality peach Chakali was grown. The harvest time period of peach ranged from April to July. Peach is usually taken as garden fresh, though delightful squash can also be prepared from its varieties. The peach kernel's essential oil can be used in producing of plenty of cosmetics products as well as medicinal products. They are rich in several essential minerals like potassium, fluoride as well as iron. The area has subtropical climate. Areas in Punjab where peach cultivation is high are Ludhiana, Amritsar, Hoshiarpur, Jalandhar, Firozpur, Muxar Sahib, Patiala, Sangrur, Bathinda, Ropar, SAS Nagar, SBS Nagar, Fatehgarh. Uses: favorite table fruit, highly valued for its taste, nutritive properties and therapeutic uses. Canned, dried, frozen peaches, jam, juice and beverages are popular. Nutrient rich fruit, used as baby food also. Nutritive value: good source of sugars, vitamins and minerals. TSS is 8 to 13 bricks. TSS also means total soluble solids. Total sugars are 8%. Ascorbic acid is 6 to 13 milligrams. Carotenoids: white flesh cultivars are 0.19 to 0.53%. Yellow flesh cultivars are 0.75 to 0.79%. Peach. Nutritional value: 1 medium peach contains 60 calories and 2 grams of dietary fiber. Peaches are also good sources of vitamins A, C, K and the B complex vitamins as well as minerals like potassium. Disease fighting factor: the vitamin A in peaches is beneficial for maintaining healthy skin. The vitamin A in peaches helps keep the linings of the digestive and respiratory tract healthy. Peaches also contain omega 3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation in the body. Did you know that underripe peaches do not sweeten once they are picked from the tree? Medicinal properties: peach kernel oil. It is used in food, cosmetics, cattle, feed, pharmaceuticals, biofertilizer. Flowers and leaves. Purgatives and enthelmintics. Purgatives are substances that loosen stools and increase bowel movements. Enthelmintics are antiparasitic drugs. Urinary stone, kidney function, indigestion. Peach kernel contains fats, proteins, fibers and minerals which are 39 to 55%, in which 23 to 30% are fats, 14.8% are proteins, 2.7% are crude fibers, minerals, glycosides. Prunasin means pulp and amygdalin means seeds. It was originated in China and in India it is in Uttar Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Nilgiris, northeastern states with Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur. Morphological description: fruit is low-headed, widespread tree, drupe from superior ovary and velvety skin. On the left side, peach fruit anatomy is shown. The skin is the exocarp, the stone is the endocarp, the flesh is the mesocarp. And on the right side, anatomy of seed is shown, which consists of apiculate apex, transverse furrow, pit, groove and longitudinal furrow. So now the most important in any production technology is climate. So the rainfall is 200 to 300 millimeters, sowing temperature is 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, harvesting temperature is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Soil. Peach requires deep sandy loam soil rich in organic matter with good drainage. The pH of the soil should be between 5.8 and 6.8. Acidic and saline soils are unfit for peach cultivation. The land with gentle slope is ideal for peach cultivation. The fruit thrives best in foothills, high hills and mid-hill situation. Popular yields with their varieties. Different varieties of peach available in all over India are Prabhat, Pratap, Florida Sun, Shane Punjab, Florida Red Sun, Red Nectarine, Khurmani, Sherbati, Florida Prince. Shane Punjab. It ripens in the first week of May. They are suited to canning. The regular fruit yield is 70 kg per tree. Pratap. In third week of April, this variety matures. The average yield is 70 kg per plant. Khurmani. Fruits are large, attractive with red coloration, clingstone with white soft juicy flesh. Florida Red. An excellent mid-season fruits. It matures in the early of June. Its average yield is 100 kg per tree. You can see the pictures of Shane Punjab, Pratap, Khurmani, Florida Red. Sherbati. Fruits are large. Fruits ripen during June end to first week of July. The average yield is 100 to 120 kg per tree. Shane Prince. The fruit matures in first week of May. It gives an average yield of 70 kg per tree. Florida Prince. The fruit matures in fourth week of April. It gives an average yield of 100 kg per tree. Prabhat. The fruit matures in third week of April. It gives an average yield of 64 kg per tree. Punjab Nectarine. The fruit matures in second week of May. It gives an average yield of 40 kg per tree. These are pictures of Sherbati, Shane Prince, Florida Prince, Prabhat, Punjab Nectarine. Cultivation, planting. The planting is carried out in winter season. Before planting, the site of orchard should be properly cleared of bushes and weeds. The area should be plowed or dug and arrangement of drainage be made in advance of planting. In hilly areas, contour planting system should be adopted if the slope is steep. Otherwise, terraces should be made. In plains, square system of planting is common. Pits of 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter size at a distance of 4.5 meter in hills and 6 meter in plains are dug during September to October. The pits should be refilled with fertile topsoil mixed with 40 kg of well-rotten farmyard manure and 10 liters solution of chlorpyrifos to each pit to avoid any damage from insects. In high density plantation, the distance can be reduced to 3 meter by 3 meter. Seed propagation processes used. Grafting operation. Peach seeds become buddable by June to July when they attain pencil thickness. Peaches are propagated commercially by tongue or cleft grafting and tea budding or ring budding in hills. Tongue grafting during January to February and tea budding during June to September are performed. Tongue grafting means when stalk and scion are of same size, and cleft grafting is when stalk is thicker than scion. However, in plains, grafting is performed during November to January and budding during April to June and September. This is the picture of a cleft graft. Propagation and rootstock. Rootstocks used for peach are wild apricot, plum and peach. Plum stalks can be used when peaches are to be planted in a slightly heavier soil. Rootstocks in subtropical areas are generally grown from desi peach tree or some commercial cultivars are Sherbati and Khurmani. Seed should be extracted from ripe fruit only which ensures better germination. Peach seeds need stratification for germination, which can be done by placing them under moist condition at about 1 to 5 degrees Celsius for 60 to 70 days. However, this period varies with cultivars. Seeds can also be directly sown in the open ground in the month of November for stratification under natural conditions. Pre-soaking of peach seed in GA3 at 100 ppm for 24 hours before placing them under stratification improves germination and reduces time for germination. Orchard floor management. The shallow cultivation of orchard will help in better soil aeration, destruction of weeds, increasing nitrification and destruction of hibernating insects. The trees should be whitewashed regularly to protect from sunburn. Irrigation. Peach tree should be irrigated 2 to 3 times during summer for obtaining optimum yield and quality fruit. The orchard should be provided with proper drainage system and water should not be allowed to stagnate. In subtropical region, there is more frequent need of irrigation as weather becomes warmer from second fortnight of March. Irrigation may be given in subtropical areas at 8 to 10-day interval in the month of March to May. After harvesting, the irrigation can be given at longer intervals. Drip irrigation is the best method for effective use of water. These are some pictures of irrigation of peach tree. Weed control. These are regulated by manual weeding. However, it is tiring as well as expensive. As peach roots are irregular, they can be often damaged by continual plowing. Thus, usage of herbicides is excellent substitute. A pre-emergence applying diuron at the rate of 800 gram in 1 kg per acre or even post-emergence use of glyphosate at the rate of 6 milliliters per acre in 200 liters of water throughout February to March efficiently manages broadleaf weeds as well as usual grasses in new orchards. Fertilizer. When the tree is 1 to 2 years old, apply FIM at the rate of 10 to 15 kg per tree, urea at the rate of 150 to 200 gram per tree, SSP at the rate of 200 to 300 gram per tree, and MOP at the rate of 150 to 300 gram per tree. When the tree is 3 to 4 years old, apply FIM at the rate of 15 to 20 kg per tree, urea at the rate of 500 to 700 gram per tree, SSP at the rate of 500 to 700 gram per tree, and MOP at the rate of 400 to 600 gram per tree. When the tree is 5 years and above, apply FIM at the rate of 25 to 30 kg per tree, urea at the rate of 1000 gram per tree, SSP at the rate of 1000 gram per tree, and MOP at the rate of 800 gram per tree. Plant protection, pest and their control. Short hole, the symptoms are dark brown color lesions on leaves. Treatment, spraying with Captain or Xerum or Therum at the rate of 0.2% should be done at the time of leaf fall or bud swelling stage. Bacterial canker and gum mosses. It attacks on main trunk, shoots, branches, spurs, blossom, dormant buds, leaves and even fruits. Treatment. Ensure that a suitable peach variety and rootstock is chosen based on geographic location and environmental conditions to prevent stress to tree which predisposes tree to canker disease. Apply protective copper spray to trees before flowering. Prune trees in early summer to decrease likelihood of infection. Pests and their control. Peach leaf curl aphid. The pest is active in March to May month. The pest results in curling and yellowing of leaves. Treatment. Spraying of Roger 30 EC at the rate of 800 milliliter per acre in 500 liter water should be done. Do spraying after 15 days if required. Peach black aphid. The pest is active in April to June month. Treatment. Spraying of Malathion 50 EC at the rate of 800 milliliter per acre in 500 liter water. Brown rot. It causes wilting of plant and killing of petals and young twigs. Treatment: spraying with Captain at the rate of 0.2% before 3 weeks of harvesting. Flat-headed borer. It is a serious pest which is active in mid-March month. They feed on foliage. Treatment: drenching with Dermate 20 EC at the rate of 1000 milliliter per acre in 500 liter should be done in June month after harvesting for the prevention of this pest. Beetles. The beetles feed on leaves during night time. Treatment: spraying of Hexavin 50 WP at the rate of 1 kg per acre in 500 liter water is done at the evening time. If damage continues, repeat this spray after 5 to 6 days. Harvesting. For local market, peach should be picked at the full maturity, while for distant market, the fruit should be harvested when slightly immature. All the peach fruit do not mature simultaneously, and 3 to 4 pickings are required at 4 to 5 days interval. The yield may vary from 50 to 125 kg per tree depending upon the cultivars and orchard management practices. April to May is the peak month of harvesting peach crop. They reach good color and hard flesh that shows they are ready to harvest. Harvesting of peach crop is carried by twisting the fruit. These are pictures of harvesting of peach. Post-harvest. Peaches present unique challenges among tree fruit for harvest and handling. Care must be taken to avoid damage before, during and after harvest, and their delicate flesh qualities can make them difficult to ship and store. However, if these challenges can be overcome, peaches can be a rewarding crop to produce. Various treatments have been applied to peach to increase its shelf life, such as physical and chemical. Physical treatments include heat treatment, intermittent warming, irradiation, edible coatings, and chemical treatments include 1-methyl cyclopropene, salicylic acid, methyl jasmonate, calcium chloride, oxalic acid, melatonin, nitric oxide. These are pictures of post-harvest handling. Thank you. At last, I would once again thank my course instructor, Dr. Prashant Bakshi, who gave me this opportunity. Stay home, stay safe.